So everybody ready?
No.
No? Okay, let me know when you are. Got it. Okay. So the first thing you learned this evening was your Roomba box. Does it dance like this? 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. The next thing you learned was your Rumba walks. They dance like this. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And then you can go back into your box. Okay, the third thing you learned this evening was your Rumba extended box. It goes like this. Slow, quick, 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 quick. Slow, quick, 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 quick. There you have it, and you can go back into your normal box. The last thing we learned, actually was the second thing, but the last thing you want to try to remember is how to rotate your box. Doing this by when you're dancing forward, you'll turn your shoulders slightly to the left when we dance our slow, and then dance your feet side together under wherever your shoulders end up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Good job, everyone. Nice job, everybody. All right, so let's go ahead and just